Hey guys, David here at Finish Line Factory, and I'm here at Lamborghini Palm Beach for the Palm event. So the Palm event is an event that celebrates vintage race cars, motorsports, cars like that. But there's more than just vintage cars here. There's all kinds of cars, Porsches and Lambos and stuff. So I'm just going to go for a quick walk around of the rally that we're going to have. So we're going for a rally around Palm Beach. I think first stop is actually at a hangar. We're going to have lunch at some point. But yeah, let's walk around. Let's check out some cars here. This is a Monterey Blue Lamborghini Gallardo. There's Scott. Hey Scott, what's the color of your interior?
What's that?
Do you know the name of the color of your interior?
Cream something or other.
Cream something or the okay. Rock and roll. Oh, and it's signed by Fabio? Mm-hmm. Oh, nice. Fabio Lamborghini. That's amazing. So I think this is it's a Mercedes 190. Got a Corvette. This one's supercharged, 800 horsepower. Let's see. Oh, nice. Is it a 512 TR, I think? Oh, look at this, Performante. Let me see if I'm right. Yep, 512 TR. This is I think this is the Excalibur Roadster. Oh no way, Pontiac GTO. Look at that. Acura NSX. I think it's just a dealership car, not on the rally. Let's see. I think this is a GTC4 Lusso. There you go. Am I right? Yep. GTC4 Lusso. Beautiful car. Ferrari 308. And a Mercedes. Oh, classic 911 turbo. I think it's a 9. This is a 964 or a 911?
No, 930.
A 930, of course. Yeah, because if it's a 911, it's a 930. There you go. 911 chassis. This is a GT3. 911 GT3 997. You got a 280 SL Roadster. Hey. You got an AMG GT. There you go. Rolls Royce. Is this a Dawn?
Yes.
Dawn? Yeah, I knew it. Real nice drop head. That'd be fun for the rally. Check this out. This is a Vignale. So this is actually designed and produced in Palm Beach, and it uses the engine from the Cadillac. This car is from '58. Beautiful car. Let's see. Volcano Orange 720S. We have a Ferrari 400i. There you go. 4-seat. One of the few Ferraris that actually have back seats. Let's see here. Got a Corvette. Nice. C2, I think. Got a Shelby Cobra. Pontiac Firebird. All right. See, here's the X5 that I'm going to be riding in. Hey. You got a 430 Spider. And a 911 Carrera GTS. We're ready to go, Richard? Let's rock and roll. All right, so running back up to the front to catch all the cars leaving. All right, let's rock and roll.
That bit that clean right now.
All right, so we're at the first rally stop. This is a place called The Hangar, and it appears to be like a luxury storage facility. So you can keep your exotic car here, hang out, and keep it safe. And it's it looks a lot nicer than storing your car in like a warehouse or something. That's kind of ugly. This is all nice. It's kind of dressed like an airplane hangar. So it looks like there's like a lounge or something as well. So I'm gonna head over that way and see what it looks like. Oh, someone's playing with the simulator. Let's go check that out.
$155. Oh, there you go. Better slow down.
It's kind of cool. You can sit in a Formula One car, and it's a simulator.
I'll see you later, too.
All right, let's check this one out. Oh, hey, check this out. So it looks like this is the chassis from a 911 GT car. So they wrecked it somewhere, put it into the wall, but hey, you know what? That's racing. Sometimes it happens, So the engine's out. I wonder what they plan on doing with this chassis. Maybe they're gonna repair it. Oh, this one was from Champion Porsche. So this one was raced in the 25th annual 48 hours at Sebring. Okay. This is the chassis to a 962. Look at this. Oh, and it was raced by Bell, Mario Andretti, and Volek. I wonder where the chassis is, because this is the body pals. Hey, there you go. Can you reach the pedals? Nah, might be a little difficult. It might work. All right, so we're heading over to Hangar 18, and they're gonna have a kind of a driver's meeting. We're gonna discuss, I guess, the trip to the next stop, and we're gonna rock and roll.
Thank you. Something interesting here and create a little community of collectors. And the nice thing here is you get your own place, but you can also visit your neighbors and see all kinds of different fabulous cars. So let's talk a little bit more about what you're trying to do.
Yeah, I won't be long with it. I just, number one, thank you for coming. Thank you for bringing the nice weather with you. What a day. I mean,
you're welcome.
Live here. Right? For March, this is pretty nice.
We signed a contract with Trump. He said he controls the weather better than anybody else.
It makes the weather great again. In case you're not clear, it's a private garage, condominium complex. It's a long-winded way of saying it, but basically they're car condos, and you can collect whatever you want. They're all air-conditioned, Miami-Dade, decorated, insulated, and it's just basically gives a community aspect to the car culture that doesn't really exist in this area. And I thought it should exist, so that's why I built it. Very nice. So we've got great owners already. We've only got our CO about 3 weeks ago. So we're real pleased with the group of people that are coming here and the social aspect. And this is the model. It gives you ideas about what you might want to do inside of your unit. And the bigger ones, the smaller ones than this, the guys are taking and talking, their own version of things in here, to make it their own. So thank you for coming. Enjoy I think we ran out of water over here, but over in the owner's lounge, which by the way has, hopefully you've all visited, but that's like the clubhouse area. If you weren't going to have people into your personal unit, you'd have a meeting or a party or whatever over there. 150-inch TV, Roche Beaubois did all the furnishings. And it's, again, this facility will only ever be open to owners and their guests. It'll never be a public venue, and the gate, will be closed other than if we're having an event like this. So thank you for coming. Enjoy your rally.
Your smaller units is about how big? The small units?
The smallest units are just under 600 square feet.
Okay, and that's not for how much about?
188,000.
Okay, all right. And then you can customize it the way you want?
Right.
You can go in the front.
Where's Cindy at?
All right, so the route is getting ready to go on to the next stop. Look at this. 190E's already started up, so We're going to the Ann Norton Sculpture Gardens, so I'm going to catch all the cars coming that forward, and I'll jump in the X5 and we'll be on the way. So it's going to be a nice scenic drive. Let's check this out.
Stop. Ready for the rally. You are leaving.
All right, Ann Norton Sculpture Gardens. So we got all the cars parked up here, up and down the strip. So let's head inside and check this place out.
Well, this is, of course, Ann Norton's studio. And I just give you a little bit of background. Ann Norton, of course, is connected to the New Norton Museum because Ann was born in Alabama, but she decided to become an artist. She went to New York for a number of years, but that was during the course of the Depression. So she struggled to really be able to sell anything. She saw an ad in the paper in West Palm Beach for a teacher of sculpting. So she answered the ad and she was hired at a school of art, which became the Norton Museum. So she got to know the Nortons, Mr. and Mrs. Norton, very well, and during the course of that time, Mrs. Norton passed away. So within a short period of time, relatively a year or a year and a half, he asked Ann to marry him. And she said, "I'm already married." And he went, "What?" And she said, "I'm married to my art, and I don't want anyone changing that. I'm really, committed to my art." So time went on and he said, "Okay, well, I will build you a studio." And this studio was built for Ann in 1948. Well, this is Ann's last sculpture that she did before she passed away. It was built in about 1977. And it's called The Horizontal Unknown. Ann was very much about not naming things, very much, because she wanted everyone to see whatever they could see. She did make these bricks. She produced these bricks. And so in reading her letters, it appears that she got this inspiration by traveling to the Himalayan mountains. All of these sculptures that we have in exhibition are for sale. This one is called Zia, and it is about 18 feet tall. It had to come in off of Flagler with a crane. The price of this is $475,000. Do I have any takers in the group? Okay. Here we go. All right. But we love his work, and he's an amazing personality. And so the interesting thing is all of these turn. So if we go over here and see the next sculpture, so if you don't like one view of it, you can turn it and get a different view. So he works in a number of different mediums, but all of this is welded and put together by Gino. And then, of course, all of this is sanded so that it's smooth. This is really a beautiful piece as well.
All right, guys, so we're leaving the sculpture garden and going to hop back into the X5 with Richard. And I guess the next stop is getting some food. We're going to get some lunch. Not sure where lunch is going to be, but I guess I'll find out in a few minutes.
Let's roll.
This is so... Yikes!